Yay, go! That is so cute. Thank you. There's Carolyn. She just made it. Awesome. I don't know if she's still sick, so.
I'm sure you heard I have.
Hey, lady. No, please. You know I got a good immune system. How are you doing?
Not breathing. Not breathing germs on you. But I want to hug you too. I'm like,
Hey, Deborah.
hi, sweetie. Whoa.
How are you doing? It's good to see you. I'm glad you made it.
Yeah, I've been with Sicko. What about you?
Oh, no. Have you gotten anything from it? No?
No.
Good.
No. And I was all over Kevin, so.
Oh. Look behind you, girl. Trish is here.
I saw Chuck somewhere. Yeah, we just met.
Let's see.
That's like way up in there.
Right?
Hey!
You even have your tag on your hat.
I know, look at it. It's so cute.
It's like a propeller, but only
I know,
one
it's just
propeller.
flapping in the wind. Well, now it's just standing straight up. So. Let it flap, let it
She's proud of
flap.
that hat. Yeah.
There you go.
Moo-moo, that's a cat crossing. You are not a kitty cat. Oh no, your face is too blurry.
That's cute. I saw those.
I like your mini bike. That's awesome.
Cute. What size?
The engine, what size engine is that?
It's a 6-horse.
Okay.
$506.
Oh wow, $506.
It's 6 horses.
Oh, there you go.
No gear. You just turn this. This is the brake. Okay? Make sure you put your feet on this. Don't go too fast. It is bumpy. There's no suspension.
Go, Jody. Be careful. Banjo's like, no.
Gilly's like, where's mommy going? Look at Gilly.
Driving really slow at balance as well.
All right, so I just got a 12-volt DC for my laptop. I appreciate it. Thank you very much.
No problem.
Yeah, it's starting to look good. Yeah, God, you got 2 pans of hamburgers going.
Did have 4.
Is that for the mac and cheese?
Yep. And then we're gonna do some vegetables, baked beans,
Yum.
and I got hot dogs and brats and chicken being cooked over on the fire.
Wow.
Hamburgers.
Look at that sunset. That is absolutely gorgeous.
Young hearts just learning to walk for the first time. Lovers on lock with a cross and a heart, hoping not to die. Ask anyone, life goes fast, faster when you're older. So don't close your eyes and come back when it's over. Young hearts living
bright sunny day and we're headed over through the washes. So we just have to cross some washes and stuff. So this is actually what we have to go through. There's some deep washes. Don't fall, y'all. Lord have mercy. Yeah, so this is probably the third one we've had to go through. We probably should have just parked a little closer, maybe, I think. Oh yeah, taking a vehicle. I should have rode my e-bike.
Yes.
Not through this.
No, but I wanted to walk with y'all, so, okay. Here we go. Socks and Asian socks and flip-flops. Well, we've gotten over to main camp. The sign says dead end, full.
Can we get one of those?
But I think there's plenty of room. What are you talking about? So there are other washes and lots of vehicles. That is a huge dog.
Rio.
Hey, Rio.
This is Asha from Pandamonium.
Hey.
This is Jane. We met yesterday at the laundromat.
Hi, Jane. It's nice to meet you.
Jimmy. Mary.
Moo-moo's like that dog is way big. Yes, Moo-moo has her seat, which is Uncle Mick. Oh, look at the puppy. Okay. Wait, hold on. Okay, wait, hold on. It's not. Oh, what's wrong with this kid? I need you not to break my equipment, sir.
Oh, you didn't ask permission.
Yes, you can hug me. I'm not sick.
Are you sick?
I am sick. How are you doing? I'm doing
You can't
good.
carry me. I
Good
got
to
to
see you.
Let me ride the dog.
When did you get here?
Last night.
Oh, awesome.
Yeah, I was doing laundry.
There's a great day wearing shoes.
I had like, I don't know, 8 loads of
Oh,
laundry.
geez, Louise,
Yeah,
that's a
I
lot.
had 2 for
So,
camp though, and then all the rest was mine.
well, it's good to see you.
Good to see you.
Hearts once broken apart, coming back to life. Tangled in knots, what a way to get caught. It was worth the ride. Ask anyone, life goes fast, faster when you're older. So don't pay no mind, keep marching like a soldier. Young hearts, put it on the line. And I already told you, I'm here to stay. Hell or high water, I'll find a way. And I won't give up.
I got to roll.
Well, hello, sir.
Hi. This is a very odd predicament, isn't it?
It seems like an odd, what is that, position? More like it.
I was going to roll the window.
It's all good. I just opened the door. I'm glad to see you got here.
I know, I'm late, but hey,
Yeah.
I got to find me a little level spot somewhere.
Okay, well, we'll see you in a little.
All right.
It's good to see you.
It's good to see you too. Missed you.
Missed you too. Knock, knock.
Hello.
Hello. What are y'all doing? Eating?
Eating breakfast. I made your
Chowing
plate.
down.
Ooh, thank you so much. Ooh.
You're welcome, although it's going to be cold and probably not very good.
No, it's still warm. Thank you.
Okay, you want to heat it in the microwave?
No, it's good. It looks yummy. Thank you. Let me shut the door.
I came here.
Right on the stick, right overhead, lower it down. Oh, that's big.
Oh, wow. Huge dogs. Hey, Hugie.
That one's moose.
Oh, they both look kind of moosey.
Well, you could have had 2 moose.
Right. Moose 1 and Moose 2. How was it?
Yeah.
Oh, and you only kept it on 3?
Yeah.
So they saw my broke up screen and offered to fix it for me. Thanks, guys. I appreciate that.
You're welcome. We'll be back in a little bit with a fresh screen for you.
Awesome. Thank you so much. I love how nice and friendly people can be. That just really warms my heart.
Hey,
Hey.
what's going on?
Not
Made some
much.
Cookies,
What kind of cookies are those?
peanut butter.
Oh my god, those are my favorite. My grandma used to bake these.
And Jason didn't eat them all, so I had to share.
I appreciate that. You have a channel, don't you?
Yes,
What is the channel if they want to check it out?
Camping with the Kellys.
Camping with the Kellys.
Yes.
Thanks
and we're
again.
on Facebook and all that stuff.
Oh, awesome.
Yeah.
Thanks again.
Yeah, no problem.
Real name, because I just keep being told Pudding.
It is Puddin'. That's his. Y'all are awesome. Thank you, I appreciate that. They fixed my screen for me.
There you go.
That's so cool.
And
Thanks,
it's
y'all.
pretty tight. We didn't want to go over
Yeah.
tight because we didn't want to bend the metal.
Oh, that is so cool.
tight.
Thanks. Oh, that's the extra screen. I
Yeah,
can definitely use that. Thank you. I really appreciate that.
No problem.
Bye, y'all.
You're welcome.
Oh, and don't forget to check your cables to make sure we put the ladder back in there.
Oh, yeah. Okay, I
We
think
did
it's
put
good.
the-
Oh, yeah, that's fine. It's all good.
I don't know how these went or how you had them.
Right?
I don't want the chairs falling off or having you lose anything going down.
No, that's good. It's in there, so.
Okay.
Awesome. I just have to chain it down, so.
Cha-ching.
Thanks.
You know, so we're like, man, if you had a
Where's the memo? Where's the memo?
Picture with you real quick, Gosh, and then we'll leave you be.
No problem. So, new screen in. That is so freaking awesome. Love it. So all I have to do is do my door. Mick and Colleen just went to town and they grabbed my water bottle for me and filled it up since they were headed that way and they were going to fill up their bottles. So that was awesome cool. I just have to put the pump back on top. Ta-da! All done. I'm really, really loving this system. The system is definitely the awesome sauce. Love it. And I did end up keeping this cap right here so that way when they transport it or when I transport it, this does keep the water in. So, yep, I just keep it in there. I do have to remember to tie this down because they had to do a roof project for someone and I let them borrow my ladder, so I have to definitely make sure I secure that down so it doesn't fall off. Alright, I always have to extend the top part right there so that way it locks into this groove and that way it don't slip and slide out.
Who are you looking for, sweetie?
Oh! I found you.
Oopsie! Oh my god, that is the prettiest dog ever! It looks like a cow. Oh, and that booty's on. Where'd you get those booties at?
Lake Tahoe.
Oh, those are awesome. Moo-moo, come on. Alright everybody, well this is the end of the day and I want to thank y'all for hanging out with me today. Hopefully I'll see you in the next video. Until then, stay safe and onward bound. I love everyone out there. Mwah. Oh, I'm so tired.